Damn, I done did it all again. It's about that time you meet my friend. I've been running from these demons my whole life. Hi guys, it's your girl Audrey, and as you can read by the title, this is going to be a quick hair therapy review. Well, not a review, but a quick hair therapy video for myself. So, I'm not really going to be talking too much through this video. I might intercept every here and there to explain certain things, but for the most part, I just want you guys to watch me work and see the end result of this beautiful wig. Old wig from my birthday hair that I converted into a skunk stripe. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and just keep watching for more.
Please leave a message.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your riches. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting, oh, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try to teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn me. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you don't have to reciprocate. You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You tryna cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I love aside, I can see you. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't found shit, they just waiting. I know you met me in a club. So in these upcoming clips, you will see that this is the first result from the 50 developer that I used when I did the skunk stripe initially. But that wasn't bright enough when I went back and washed it out. So I had to go in a second time with the blonde developer and bleach that I used the first time when I bleached the hair brown, and re-bleached the skunk stripe to get it to that creamy type of caramel blonde color that I was looking for. And I honestly can say I really like this bleach a lot, but you don't get as much as you would if you bought a bucket of B2W or L'Oreal Quick Blue. But I do recommend this bleach for when you do highlight work. It's a really good product, and I just say you can go get it, sis. Because you can order it from Amazon and at Sally's Beauty. I got mine from Sally's Beauty. And in the upcoming clip, you're going to see what the color initially looks like. It looks a lot better than what it seemed like on camera when I had it blow dry.
Who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who caught the blue drop, top. Who Jews got blocks? Who's mostly dope? She down to the tube top. The same old pimp, base, you know ain't nothing changed but my limb. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee a million shells, call it love or luck. You don't believe in Harlem World, nigga, double up. We don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. Niggas didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem nigga with the Goldie sound. Can't no PhD, niggas hold me down. Cooler, school me to the game, now I know my duty. Stay humble, stay low, blow like Woody. True pimp, niggas spin a dough on the booty. When you yell, go make there go your cutie.
See me die than to see me fly. I call all the shots, rip all the spots, rock all the rocks, drop all the drops. I know you thinking now when all the ball stops. Nigga never home, gotta call me on the yacht. 10 years from now, we'll still be on top. Yo, I thought I told you that we won't stop. Now what you gonna do with a crew that got money much longer than yours, and a team much stronger than yours? Violate me, this a VO day. We don't play, mess around, be DOA, be on your way. Cause it ain't enough time here, ain't enough lime here for you to shine here. Deal with many women, but treat down fair. And I'm bigger than the city lights down at Times Square. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No info for the DEA. Federal agents mad cause I'm flagrant. Tap myself and the phone in the basement. My team supreme, stay clean. Triple B, lyrical dream. I'll be that. Catch a seat at all events bent. Gats in holsters, girls on shoulders. Playboy, I told ya, me and Mike's to me. Lose too much, I lose too much. Step on stage, the girls boo too much. I guess it's cause you with lame dudes too much. Me lose my touch, never that. If I did, ain't no problem to get the gap. Where the true players at? Throw your rollies in the side, wave side to side, keep your hands high while I give your girl an eye. Player please, lyrically, we can see B.I.G.B. flossing, jig on the cover of Fortune, 500. Here's my phone number, your man, I got the know, I got the dough, got the flow down, pizzazz, platinum plus, like Zizak, dangerous on Trizac, leave your ass flizzak.
So, as we're coming to an end on this video, I would like to thank all of you guys that stuck around and watched me create this wig and install it and see my process and some of the products that I do use to get my end results. And I just wanted to say this is my way of making a reintroduction into YouTube and just coming back to doing something I actually enjoy doing, but I let life get into the way of that. And I hope you guys are ready to come back with me on this journey of just figuring things out the way that I can figure them out within my life. So, welcome back to the gang, y'all.
Please leave a message.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different